What's up, guys? I'm going to do a quick nighttime video of this Ford. I might be giving it away at 1,983 subscribers. So if you'd like to have a look-see at this truck and drive it down the road. Can't see inside, got too much dirt on it. But this is a good truck, guys. 1983 Ford F-150 step side 30. No, it's got a 289. It's a nighttime video. I got another video I'm going to upload later. But guys, this is a nice truck. If you like this truck, let me know. I'm literally thinking about giving it away. Give me some comment ideas. Put them in the comments. Who thinks I should give it away? Got the tail lights. Okay, YouTube, like I said, if you want me to give it away, hit me up in the comments. I'm honestly thinking about doing a thing to where it goes for free. Let's get a shot of this helicopter and then I'm going to turn the video off. Alright guys, holler back at me. Like this video. I'm doing shorts until I get a better camera. Like and subscribe if you want to. If you don't, it's okay, I understand.